Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to Elite Weather Forecasting. I am Mr. G, your meteorologist. I hope you guys are having a great day out here on your Monday and you guys had a wonderful weekend. But now let's talk about the series of storms that we're going to be looking at this week. We got our first storm right here that's going to be coming up out of northern Mexico in the desert southwest, and that storm is going to be making its way into the southern plains as well as spreading some snow into portions of the nation's midsection through the Midwest and to the northern plains. And we're going to also be seeing our severe weather out here across the southern Gulf in the deep south here down near Louisiana and East Texas. We're going to be looking at some severe weather as we move into this week. And then up here across the Pacific Northwest, we're going to be seeing some snow in through the Cascade mountain range as well as over into the northern Rockies. As we move on through the week, we're going to be looking at wintry precipitation out that way. But let's take a look at our next map as we're going to be talking about that difference in temperature we're going to be seeing between the west and the east. We're going to be seeing the eastern half of the United States become much above normal as we move into the week. Meanwhile, over here to the west, we're going to be seeing things cool off tremendously as some areas can see some record low high temperatures, especially down across the southern Rockies, down through Arizona and New Mexico, and even to Southern California as well, as we're going to be dealing with that storm system. So we're going to be seeing things quite cold across the west and a bit warm and mild across the east. Now, here's a look at some of that snow we're going to be seeing across the Mogollon Rim and then to the southern Rockies, Arizona, Sedona, Flagstaff. We're going to be seeing some snow, and we're going to be seeing snow into northern New Mexico as well. Over here near Gallup, New Mexico, and Santa Fe, we're going to be seeing some snow, and across southern Colorado and Utah as well. We're going to be seeing some snow showers out that way, and we're going to be seeing some snow through the Midwest as well. We're going to be seeing snow through the Midwest here from Minnesota all the way down through Nebraska as well as down into Kansas and southern Colorado. So we're going to be seeing a Colorado low emerge out of the southwest and move across the plains and over toward the Great Lakes, and we're going to be seeing our other area of low pressure work its way down along the Gulf and toward the eastern seaboard. Okay, here is our double trouble here. We have our two storms. We're going to be seeing one storm tracking across the Midwest and then our second storm down here across the south. And we're going to be seeing that severe weather over here across the southwest, across the southern plains as well as into the Gulf states, and that potential for heavy rain and flash flooding is going to exist as well. So a lot of wet weather across the southern United States this week, some thunderstorms that could produce some severe weather, possibility of tornadoes yet again, some hail, some flash flooding is also going to be a possibility with some of this wet weather down here across the southern United States. But we're going to be seeing snow up here across the Midwest here and into the plain states. All right, and as we move into our middle part of the week, we're going to be seeing this storm here that's going to be bringing that severe weather on your Wednesday down across the Gulf Coast and some of our southern states. And we're going to be seeing heavy rain up over here as well along the eastern seaboard that can add to some flooding issues, as we have already seen heavy amounts of rainfall, but a lack of snow across that part of the country. Now here we are as we take a look at the Pacific Northwest as we have snow across the Cascades down into Oregon and Washington here, where some areas could pick up as much as 2 feet of snow this week. So we're going to be seeing a lot of snow across the Cascades and the northern Rockies this week. We've seen a lot of snow across the Sierra Nevada, but now we're going to be seeing some of that heavy snow up here across the Cascades and into the Pacific Northwest this week. Alright, so we're going to be seeing that snow spread all the way across the Rockies here and into the high plains this weekend, and not this weekend, but as we work our way through the week, and we're going to be seeing about as much as 2 feet of snow in a few locations, and some areas down here across southern Wyoming we could pick up as much as 36 inches of snow. So a few isolated and higher elevation locations here across Idaho could pick up a lot of snow as well. So we're going to be seeing a lot of snow across the Rockies and that potential for avalanche situations as well. So kind of a dangerous situation could develop here with a lot of this snowfall across the Rockies as we move through this week. So I'm going to keep you guys up to date on how much snow we're going to be seeing out there, and we're going to monitor this week. We won't be having a forecast tomorrow because tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and me and my wife is going out for supper, so we won't be able to have a forecast tomorrow, guys. All right. So here we are. We're going to have that severe weather threat this week. And as we head into Wednesday, we're going to be seeing that potential here for some severe weather down in Arkansas, down into Louisiana, East Texas as well, southeastern Oklahoma. We're going to be seeing that through Mississippi, Tennessee, Kentucky, southern Illinois, and Indiana as well. So we're going to be watching for that potential for isolated tornadoes, some damaging wind. Those winds could exceed 70 miles per hour, some large hail as well, and heavy rain that could lead to some flash flooding. Several inches of rain is going to be possible with some of this severe weather as well across the south this week, and we're going to be seeing that heavy rain progress to the east and into the lower Appalachian mountain range. So we're going to be seeing a lot of rain this week, and it could lead to flash flooding potentially. All right, that's your weather forecast. My name is Mr. G. Thanks for watching, and keep it right here to this weather channel for your latest in weather information and those updates that are sure to come. Leave your likes, comments, subscribe on YouTube, leave a follow on TikTok. See you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye.